Hello everyone, welcome back to FinexPros YouTube channel. Today we're diving into Excel's super handy text functions, proper and trim. If you've ever had to clean up messy data, these functions will be your new best friends. Let's get started. Here is a table of names that are all sorts of messy. As you can see in our first column, name and last name, we've got extra spaces, irregular capitalization, and more. We're going to fix all that. First, let's look at the proper function. This function capitalizes the first letter of each word in a text string and makes all other letters lowercase. In the cell next to Linda Smith, type equals proper, A2. Drag this down to fill in the rest of the proper column. Look at that. Now every name and last name has proper capitalization. Before we proceed, let's address the extra spaces and misalignments. Here comes our second hero, the trim function. Trim removes any extra spaces in a text string except for single spaces between words. In the cell next to Linda Smith under the trim column, type equals trim, D2. Drag this down to fill in the rest of the trim column. Look! As you can see, the extra spaces are gone, but the capitalization issues still remain. But what if you want to do both? Get rid of extra spaces and fix the capitalization? You can combine these two functions. In the cell next to Linda Smith under the proper and trim column, type equals proper, trim, G2. Drag this down to fill in the rest of the proper and trim column. There you have it. A neat and clean list of names with proper capitalization and no extra spaces. Proper and trim are simple yet powerful functions to make your text data look professional and easy to read. You can even combine them to get the best of both worlds. If you found this video helpful, please hit that like button, share it with anyone you think might benefit from it, and don't forget to subscribe for more Excel tips and tricks. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.